We are building a high-throughput CLI like Parser and Data Anonymizer in pure Python. Project concept and architecture. LogShield CLI, a developer tool that ingests raw server logs, sanitizes sensitive user information using advanced string operations, normalizes text encodings, and parses structured telemetry reports. User anonymization. Mutates protected usernames without mutating original strings by using string slicing and concatenation. Header normalization. Standardizes arbitrary log severity levels using case transformation methods, upper and lower. Delimiter tokenization. Parsers multi-formatted logs into a structured list using customizable delimiter splitting. Type-safe metric aggregator. Calculates HTTP performance metrics while preventing string concatenation dynamic typing bugs. Complete a step-by-step tutorial guide. Step 1. Core engine and string anonymization. Understand string immutability by attempting direct item assignment, handling the error, and rebuilding the string using slice notation and concatenation to anonymize sensitive log headers. In Python, strings are immutable memory objects. Once instantiated, individual elements cannot be reassigned in place. To alter a string, we slice the target string into segments and concatenate plus new substrings to yield a new object in memory. Step 2. Log normalization and security masking. Apply built-in string methods upper and lower to normalize incoming string headers and leverage string multiplication for security masking and terminal formatting. Built-in string methods do not alter a string in place. They return new string instances. Calling log.upper leaves log unchanged unless explicitly reassigned. Calling method without parentheses returns the method reference rather than executing it. String multiplication duplicates a string pattern n items, which is useful for generating terminal UI borders and token masking. Step 3. Delimiter splitting and tokenization. Ingest raw unformatted log lines and tokenize them into discrete metrics using .split with default whitespace and custom character delimiters. .split methods divides a string into a list of substrings based on a delimiter. If no arguments is provided, it splits on arbitrary whitespace, discarding extra spaces. When a specific string delimiter is passed, it preserves surrounding space and isolates distinct data fields. Step 4. Type guides and dynamic type resolution. Processes numerical metric logs safely, explicitly preventing string concatenation bugs caused by Python dynamic typing. Python is dynamically typed and flexible. Adding two strings representing numbers performs string concatenation, not numerical addition. In a telemetry engine, failing to explicitly cast numeric inputs leads to skewed calculations without raising explicit syntax errors. Step 5. Complete integrated project assembly. Assemble all core concepts into an end-to-end runnable CLI application that reads raw log feeds, sanitizes sensitive data, normalizes text headers, parses metrics safely, and outputs a formatted security report. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more videos.